Okay, so here's what my current setup looks like right now, and as you can see, the mattress is the foam mattress is right on the floor, and I do need some extra storage in here. So my plan is to raise this maybe about 6 inches, build the platform 6 inches, and have some drawers that I can just pull out up to here. Got about 22 inches uh, for the drawers to come out. I can maybe put, I don't know, 3 or 4 drawers in there and give me some storage for shoes and clothes and whatever, because that's really wasted space. But I can't go too high because then my head would hit the ceiling when I'm sitting down. So I measured, I don't want to go any higher than 6 inches, and that should be okay. So let's see what I'm going to do. First thing I need to do is get this thing. Okay, so I finally removed the mattress out of this thing by myself, and that was a pain in the ass. So I started doing the frame, and these are some 2x4s that I screwed into the wall. I screwed them in only about ½ an inch. The weight is going to be supported by the 2x4 sitting on the ground, so the screws are just to hold it in place. This is one side of it, and this is the other side of it that I've already done. I did have to notch out this corner here so it would fit. I wanted it to come all the way over here, and these are the drawers that I'm going to use. I went to Walmart today and I got 4 of these. They're pretty long. They're actually longer than I was thinking, but I think it's going to work okay. 35.5 by 16. 35.5 is the length. There are 16.25 width and 5 7/8 height. So my idea is to put 4 of these like that up to the edge of this, and then they're going to be able to slide out, and then this part over here is going to stay inside. It doesn't matter, but you should be able to put a lot of stuff in there. So I'm going to work some more on this and start doing that side, and then I'm also going to put another one in the center, another one of these braces in the center, and then I'm going to have some slats running alongside this way. So anyways, that's the plan, and I'll shoot another video when I get a little bit further down. Okay, so here's what I've got so far. I've got all 3 pieces of the frame done. The side wall, the center, and the other side wall in place. And I went ahead and screwed in the first cross member just to make sure that I do have my clearance for the drawers that I'm putting in. And I do. I have a little bit over 6 inches. The reason why I chose these long drawers is you can see how much wasted space you have back there. So I got the longest ones I could use. These drawers come out about 22 inches over here, and then you can reach in there to get whatever you want to put in there. So all the storage that I can get on this will help me out. So I'm using the center 2x4 as a guide for the drawers that are going to be towards the center. Then I'm putting another 2x4 on the floor to keep the other guys in the corner sliding from binding to each other. I did have a problem today with this, the 2x4 that I have in the center. It was wobbling back and forth, and I found out that there is a seam right here, and that was my problem. So I had to notch out the bottom of that 2x4, and now it sits level. So that's where we're at right now, and that's it for now. Okay, so here's where we are so far. I've got the 2x4s screwed into the floor with the stop behind it to keep the slide from going all the way back. As you can see, push it back, it'll stop there. And when you pull it out, I think I measured, there's probably about 22 inches of room right here. But of course the drawer goes back a little further, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. So that's where we're at so far. Now I've got to put the cross members on top, and we should be pretty much done. I pre-drilled and countersunk all the holes on the wood before bringing them into the camper. Such a tight space in there, so anything you could do outside of it makes things a lot easier. This is the last cross member. Get ready. Okay, so here's what it looks like completed without the bed frame on top of it. So as you can see, how much actually storage room I've gained on this. And here's the other side of it. Okay, so we are finally done with the bed frame project. This is what it looks like with the mattress in place. There's your 4 drawers right there. And this is what it looks like. I still have plenty of room, headroom, when I sit on the mattress. It's not a problem. I did have to raise my curtains up a little bit because it was hitting the mattress. But other than that, I'm real happy with the way it came out. Things that we normally used to carry in the car and going back and forth, now we can have in the inside the camper. Here are your 4 drawers, and I'll open them all up so you can see how much storage room we've gained. Look at that. And close it back up. Get it from the other side. And that's it. Until next time.